I have no idea.
How many sisters does she have?
Nope. They're both in their 30s.
Both older.
Yeah.
Like by a lot.
By a lot, yeah. By like 10 years.
So similar situation.
Yeah. But,
Whoa!
What the hell? Oh shit.
Holy shit. That guy just wrecked the fuck. And what? I think, god damn. He's stopping in fucking on the middle of the road. Jesus Christ. Oh, his airbags went off. And this guy took off.
should we pull over and call the cops? Be witnesses?
Call the cops now. I've got.
Yeah, just.
Well, I just want to get his license plate on my dash cam.
No, I got him up.
Yeah, this is the guy right here.
Mom, full picture. Full picture.
I get PRJ, PRL, 1987. Oh, his airbag's fucked too.
What?
Hello? Hey, we're on I-55 right now, heading.
He's
Heading
taking
north?
He's going 72.
We just saw two cars wrecked. Both their airbags popped off, and then one of the guys just kept on driving. He just. Alrighty.